The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. Means that the inspector had smiled after he was finished. Means that when he has repaired the mechanical teachers, then he patted Margie's head again. He said to her mother and told to her mother that it's not the fault of the little girls, not the mistakes of the little girls, but problem is in the geography sector, which was geared up, means a little too quick, become the to high level, means it is geared up, it has enhanced to the high IQ levels, so that the problems is that the little girls have the issue to not make understand too efficiently. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. Means that he has slowed down to the systems for the level of the 10 years level, means the 10 years age level of the student, which can solve the easily. Actually, the overall, the inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick." Means the inspector who came to repair the instruments, the mechanical teacher, when he has finished his work, then he patted to Margie's head and asked and told to her mother that it is the not the little girl's fault, means that little girl is not making the mistake in the learning, but problem is in the sector of the geography, which was little quick fast, become more fast. So those things happen sometimes, means these issues happens in the mechanical teacher. So I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Means we have changed is a level to for the understanding level of the age group of the 10 year. So actually the overall pattern of her progress is satisfactory. Means that his progress, sorry, her progress is the satisfactory, means she is doing not bad, but the problem was it was the quick to be above the level of his mental level. So that's the reason his score was not good. And he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Means Margie was disappointed, become unhappy because has think that the inspector have no idea about to making the machine, and he will bring with him to the machines and will be repaired, and there will be some delay to making the machine, but it was repaired as soon. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. As the Tommy's teacher earlier had been taken by the inspector, and they have brought after some time because there was the issue of the history sector which have been completely blanked out. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? And he asked the Tommy, why would anyone write about school? Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Tommy looked at her and she toward the Margie with superior eyes because it's not our kind of school. Means he was telling that it is not kind of this school, modern school. It is the other types of the school, traditional types of the school which were earlier available. The old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago means the centuries, 100 years ago. This system were present means the printed book centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had. All that time she read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said anyway they had a teacher. Margie was hurt, feeling insulted when the Tommy have told, stupid, you have no idea. Then she told, I don't know what kind of school. Means she told that she have no idea about that school, but she was also reading with the side of the shoulder for a while from the Tommy. Then said, anyway, they had a teacher, means that they have also a teacher. Or they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. Means that, sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, means normal teacher. Here, normal of the usual kind. A man, how could a man be a teacher? Now she have the surprise that a man, how could be a man be a teacher? Means they are the advanced generations, children, they have no idea about that things that a man can also be a teacher. They were surprised. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Means that Tommy is telling that, yeah, well, he just told the boys and girls. Means they told the boys and girls the things, gave them homework and asked them questions. Means they teach and they gives the questions, homework to the children. A man is not smart enough. Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. A man is not smart enough. Margie told that a man is not so intelligent like the mechanical teacher. But sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. But Tommy have told his father knows as much as my teachers, means he have the knowledge same like the mechanical teacher. He knows almost as much. I betcha. Means that he, he was telling that he can bet that he has also same knowledge, similar knowledge just like the mechanical teacher. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. Miss Margie was not want to quarrel with the Tommy. She said, I would not want to a strange man in my house to teach me. Means now she is telling that she don't like to the uh, unfamiliar persons, the like the to go the teach in his house. Tommy screamed with laughter. Means Tommy screamed with happily with loud. You don't know much. Means you have no idea. Margie, the teacher did not live in the house. The teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Means Tommy is telling that the teachers don't go to the home of the students, but they have the special building where all the kids, all the children, the students go there to study, and all the kids learn the same things. Means that if they were of the same age group at the same class, they have learned to same things which that teacher have teach them. So if they were the same age, but my mother says a teacher has, but my mother says that a teacher has to be adjusted to the fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently. Now Margie is telling that her mother have told to him that the teacher has to be make effort to make learn to every student to the concept either boys and a girl, and also the different capacity of the mental ability of the student, so they have to teach other ways to make them understand the concept to that boys or girls. Means the different way of the teaching should required for the different type of the students. Just the same they did not do it that way then. If you don't like it, you do not have to read the book. Just the same they did not do. It was that way then. You don't like it, you don't like. Now Tommy have been irritated and telling that if you don't like to study, you don't have to read the book. I did not say I did not like it. Now Margie told, no, I have not told that I did not like to study, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools, means she is also interested to study about those types of the schools, the funny schools. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie's school, while she was reading, and even the half books have been not finished, the Margie's mother have asked to the for this school, means that it was time of the mechanical teachers to teach her. Margie looked up, not yet Mamma. Margie was not agree to go that time, but now said Mr. Jones, and it is probably time for Tommy to miss that. It was the time for the Tommy also to attend the class. So Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Means she also wanted to study that book after the schools, after finishing the class. Maybe, he said nonchalantly, means not showing so much interest, and he moved away. He walked away whistling. The dusty old book tucked beneath his arms, taking the books and in under his arms and go. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. The mechanical teachers and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. Means it was the school time, the robotic teachers, mechanical teachers have been on, and it was always on the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Means the class was always happen to the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Because because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Means that if there are the fixed schedule, the timing of the class, then the girls will be better to make understand the things. So each time was fixed for the class. The screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Means the screen, the mechanical teachers have been going to teach the arithmetic lesson of the math, the addition of the proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. And asking for the inserting their homework in the proper slot means the slot where to math exercise a homework should be inserted. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old school they had when her grandfather was little boy. She was dreaming about those schools when his her grandfathers and father when will be whenever they he was like a little boy, and all the kids from the whole neighborhood came. Means all the students of the neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom. Means they will be enjoying in the schoolyard, sitting together in the classroom, going home together also. At the end of the school, when the classes will be finished, they will go with to with the other student. At the end of the day, they learned at the same thing, so they could help one another. Means they learned the same concept, same things in the classroom, so they can help to each other in the homework, and they talk about it, and they can discuss about the problems or mess and other things. And the teacher were pupils. Means the teachers were pupils. So the mechanical teacher was placing on the screen when we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. That means that how we are calculating the fractions. It was teaching that when we add the sum the 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, then what will the result. Margie was thinking about how the kids must had loved it in the old days. Means the children in the earlier time, at the time of his grandfathers, how they will enjoy it and then loved the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Means how they enjoy the things. She was thinking about that thing. This is the second part of the chapters. First part I have already uploaded. So please like, share and subscribe the our channels. Thank you for watching. Next class will be available soon. Thank you very much for your kind attention.